Hey there guys, it's your comrade, your fellow communist dude, Riley Shin, the glorious comrade. Today I'm gonna be informing you that the garbage disposal ain't doing shit. So, I think there's a reason for that, so where's the fucking flashlight? Lila! Lila! Pause fucking Red Dead- fuck! Pause Red Dead Redemption 2, you dumb whore! Pause, I said. Damn you. So, I need you to get your stupid ass over here with your gay flashlight. She keeps flashing me in the face with the flashlight like the dumbass she is. I need you to help me find out what the fuck is in the fucking garbage disposal, okay? Okay.
Fuck you. Just give me a fucking minute.
Can you
Jesus fucking Christ.
help me out here?
Fucking helping out.
Where? What the?
Poppy?
Where? I mean, there's a bunch of noodles in there, but
Noodles.
I don't really see anything.
Wait a minute.
Wait, what the fuck is that?
Fuck.
Lila?
Right.
Hold the flashlight. Okay. What the fuck is that? What? Is that Barry B. Benson? What